Understanding and having control of your personal finances is extremely important when you have a business. There may be instances in your business when you need to inject personal funds into your business if you're having issues with your business meeting its cash flow and financial needs. You need to know if you can indeed afford to put these funds into the business without negatively impacting your personal finances. On the flip side, you also need to know how much money you need the business to pay you so that you can continue to meet all of your personal financial obligations. When you have a clear understanding of your personal finances, as well as how your personal finances may impact your business, you can be proactive with your finances so that you can benefit your business in the best ways possible. In today's podcast episode, I discuss how your personal finances can impact your business. As a business owner, there are many times that your personal finances, credit score, and even personal guarantees are taken into consideration. Knowing your finances and being prepared for the future could help you ensure your business is set up for success rather than the high failure rates that we see in many business startups. Whether you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, small business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, make sure that you are aware of how your personal finances could impact your business. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. Having your personal finances under control when you have your own business is extremely important. Not only should you have a system for managing your personal finances, but you should also understand how your personal finances can impact your business finances as well. Let's start with how you can make sure that you're managing your personal finances effectively. You should be consistently tracking all of your money coming in and going out of your personal finances. This will give you a good idea about how much money you're making, as well as how much money you're spending. You'll see any fluctuation you have in your income and your expenses, and you should try to track this on a monthly basis. Once you have a good idea of where your money is going, you can decide if you're happy with these amounts. Often, when you really start looking into each of the amounts that you're spending, you become more aware and you may decide to adjust your spending in different areas. Take, for example, you start tracking how much money you're spending on eating out. When you see a total for this at the end of the month, you might be surprised and decide to limit your eating out a little bit more in the future. Having your monthly amounts will also help you to create a budget. Does the thought of creating a budget make you squirm a little bit? If so, I want you to know that this doesn't have to be complicated. All you need to do is take the amounts you find when you're tracking your finances and then tweak these amounts if you feel it's necessary. If you think that they're okay, then you have budget numbers that you can work with already. Having a budget will help you follow through with your plans and really allow you to start working towards your financial goals. Make sure when you create your budget that it's realistic so that you can stick with it. You don't want to create a budget that's so strict that you consistently go over your budget and you feel like you're out of control. You also want to ensure that you have an emergency fund set up. I would recommend that you aim to have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved up. I know for many of you, this may seem like it's unobtainable, when in fact, it is obtainable. You just need to start small and then keep building on it. Make a goal of starting with a smaller amount, maybe $250, and then go to $500 and so on. If possible, I would also recommend trying to budget in an amount that you will save on a weekly or a monthly basis, and have that amount automatically transferred to your emergency fund. By doing this, you're making saving money effortless. I also want you to make sure that you're paying your bills on time. Again, if it's possible to set up automatic payments for your bills, it will save you time and help limit any late payments. If you're good at paying your credit card in full, you could set up your bill payments to be paid by your credit card and then have your credit card set up to automatically be paid in full by the due date as well. This will not only help you pay your bills on time, but it will also help you incur cash back or rewards if your credit card allows for this. If you need to cut back on your expenses so that you're able to save more money or pay off debt, make sure that you're monitoring your expenses and stop any that are unnecessary or you're not utilizing, and have a plan for paying off your debt. Find out what the interest rates are on each of your debts and decide if you'll work at paying off your highest interest debts first so that you can save the most money, or if you'd rather pay off your debts that have the lowest overall total so that you can gain some momentum by paying one in full and then have fewer debts outstanding and then moving on to the next lowest debt balance. If you anticipate any large purchases, include them in your budget and save for them whenever possible. And lastly, make sure that you're investing and have a plan for your retirement. Whenever possible, take advantage of retirement plans that have a tax break. You could look into a 401k, a simple plan, IRA, or even a Roth. I also recommend that you take some time to review your personal finances often. Book a time in your calendar when you'll go over everything finance related and make it a priority. Do not cancel these appointments. This would be a great time to review your credit score as well. Review your spending, budget, and savings goals, and set new ones once you've achieved them. Make it fun and pamper yourself a little, or make it special when you do this so that you'll look forward to doing it again in the future. Having all of your personal financial information will allow you to create your own personal financial statement, which would list all of your personal assets and your liabilities. This personal financial statement will help you to see exactly how you're sitting financially. When you have your personal finances in control, you'll feel more at ease and you'll be able to make better decisions for both your personal finances as well as your business. Understanding your business finances will be much smoother as well. Now that you have an idea about how to manage your personal finances, let's take a look at how these personal finances can impact your business. If you're just starting your business, you might be looking at utilizing your personal finances to get your business started. You could be using your personal savings account, personal income, or your personal assets when you do this. Have a business plan in place so that you know how long it will take for your business to generate consistent income. You may need to continue to inject personal funds into your business at first if your business isn't making enough money to be sustainable. Know where these funds will come from. Do you have a personal savings account that you can fall back on? Or will you continue to work at a job until you can afford to rely solely on your business income? You'll also need to have enough income to cover your personal bills and your living expenses during this time as well. Make sure that you have separate business and personal accounts. This will help you to not only keep your personal and business finances separate, but it will also make it much easier to know exactly where you're sitting in each area. When you commingle your business and your personal finances, you're not only looking at some potential legal issues, but when you keep them separate, you can truly see how your business is doing financially with an accurate picture of your financial statements. It also makes doing the bookkeeping for your business much easier since you're only accounting for the actual business transactions. Keep your finances separate even if you're a solopreneur and you're a sole proprietor filing a Schedule C on your personal tax return. If you're looking at obtaining a loan for your business, lenders may review your personal credit score. If it's low, it may prevent you from securing financing. This is why it's essential to make sure that you're paying your personal bills and debts on time. Watch the amount of credit that you have outstanding in regards to the amount available to you. This is referred to as your credit utilization rate. Lenders will want to make sure that you can pay your current debt. If you struggle with your payments, lenders may not feel comfortable giving you even more loans. Vendors and suppliers may also look at your personal credit score and total personal debt prior to establishing credit with your business or how much credit to extend to your business. By monitoring your personal credit score and maintaining a high credit score, it could have a significant impact on your business. A lower credit score could also cost your business by having a higher interest rate for any business loans. Once your business is established and you're able to take money out of the business, you may need to pay yourself a reasonable salary depending on what your entity type is. If you don't have this requirement, I would strongly suggest you take a look at your personal finances to see how much money you need on a weekly or a monthly basis to ensure that you're able to cover your personal finances. If possible, try to have a consistent salary or payment to yourself so that your personal finances are more consistent as well. As with your personal finances, you'll also want to make sure that you have set aside at least 3 to 6 months of expenses in your business. This will help your business run without any personal injections of money if your business runs into any cash flow issues. By keeping a positive mindset in both your personal and your business finances, you'll be able to set achievable goals and do anything that you put your mind to. When you are more informed or knowledgeable about your finances, you'll make better financial decisions. If you need help with your personal or your business finances, I'd love to help. Having someone help you get started and on the right path to taking control of your finances can help alleviate the stress and anxiety you may be feeling on your own. How you do one thing in your life is often how you do other things. If you're struggling with controlling your personal finances, and that has you feeling like you'll never be able to manage your business finances, you just need to take some time, make your finances a priority, and get the help that you need to gain control so that you can build your confidence going forward. Imagine having a system in place where you spend less time buried in paperwork and more time doing what you love. That's where I help my clients. They're able to have proper processes in place, understand why they're following through with these processes, and they have more peace of mind when it comes to their business. Striking a balance between the demands of running a business and maintaining a fulfilling personal life is an art. It's about creating an environment where you can thrive and support the lifestyle you want. By being proactive and setting up efficient processes, you can ensure a smoother, more enjoyable year-end, and you'll be prepared to file any necessary filings with the IRS. By working with me, you'll change more than just your bookkeeping processes. Like many of the clients I've worked with, you'll go from not knowing how to get through all the stressful situations or being unprepared to being totally in control of exactly what you're choosing to get done at the time you want to have it accomplished by, all while knowing you're doing enough and you're able to enjoy your business and your personal life. I help clients just like you with strategy, mentorship, and coaching. When you work with me, you'll show up much more differently than you do today. And after all, this is ultimately what you want in your life, right? You can be stress-free in both your professional and your personal life. Come and join me. When I work with clients throughout the year, they're able to reduce their stress and overwhelm, understand how to master their small business finances, develop solutions to grow their bottom line, and create a work-life balance that they truly enjoy. I encourage you to take the next step by signing up for a free consultation where I'm going to teach you the first step in my process so that you can eliminate stress, overwhelm, or overworking in your professional or your personal life, while you continue to get done what matters so that you can live your life with joy, purpose, and a more fulfilled life. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have. I'd love to help you on this journey. You can schedule your free consultation or sign up for a coaching session today at financialadventure.com. As a certified public accountant and certified life coach, I can help you set goals and develop a plan that will allow you to lead a happier and more sustainable life in your business, your career, or your personal life. I'm here to guide you through the financial aspects of your business, as well as help you focus on the strategies that you need to follow to reach the success that you want to achieve in your professional or personal life, and stay committed so that you can continue to keep pushing forward and relieve the stress, anxiety, and overwhelm that you're currently feeling. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your life, which enables you to go back to enjoying your professional and your personal life. I work with business owners, accountants, and other financial professionals to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals, while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching program so that you can live a more purposeful life.
Each week, we meet privately one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. I also have a daily coaching program where you can talk to me whenever it works best for you, 24/7, any day of the week. In either program, you get to work on your highest priority, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that's weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, and we'll work through it together. Having a certified life coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every session, you feel energized and you know exactly what to do for the day or the week to come, and relief knowing that we'll meet again to go over anything that comes up after your session. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. The investment in either of these programs is an easy yes for you. I've set these programs up in the most supportive way. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching Program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the programs. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for these programs due to the one-on-one aspect, and they do sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the programs when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. I know there's something that you want in your life, and I can help you get it. I know this is something that you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create these exact programs. The faster that you get access to the program, the quicker you'll see the possibilities that are available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up for the Balanced Life Coaching Program today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself why you need this program in your life right now. Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career, and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or your career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.